Hey everyone, and welcome back. I am absolutely thrilled you're tuning in for today's explainer, because we are tackling something literally everyone wants to know about. We're going to explore the best free M3U playlist URLs for 2026. If you've been searching for a no-nonsense, totally straightforward way to unlock a massive world of free streaming content right on your own devices, well, you're in exactly the right place. We've pulled some amazing, fresh data from Wireless Hack, and we're going to make understanding and actually using this tech an absolute breeze.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our quick roadmap for today. First, understanding M3U playlists. Second, navigating geolocks and disclaimers. Third, the top free M3U URLs. Fourth, genre-specific streaming links. And finally, exactly how to play those M3U files. Let's get right to it.
So Part 1. Understanding M3U playlists, demystifying the format.
At its core, an M3U playlist is simply a compiled list of links to media that can be streamed from online sources. I really want to highlight this because people tend to completely overcomplicate it. An M3U file is literally just a plain text document. It doesn't actually hold any video or audio files itself. Instead, it's basically a set of directions pointing your streaming device to various streams hosted out there on the web. Think of it like a treasure map. It's the map to the content, not the treasure itself. Moving right along to Section 2. Navigating geolocks and disclaimers, compliance, and variables.
Now, setting expectations is absolutely crucial here. To quote Wireless Shack directly, all M3U playlist URLs referenced on this site are publicly available on the internet and were not created by us. We have no affiliation with, endorsement from, or control over the providers of any streams, playlists, or services listed. Users are solely responsible for ensuring their use complies with local laws and the terms of service. Basically, these links are out there in the wild, often on open-source platforms like GitHub, and it's totally on us, the users, to make sure we're playing by our local rules.
But aside from the legal stuff, there's a huge technical variable we got to talk about. When you start plugging in these URLs, you need to know that some links are strictly geolocked to the USA, while others are international and open across multiple regions. Think of a geolock like a digital bouncer. It checks your geographic location before letting you in. This is going to completely dictate which links actually work on your home Wi-Fi. So, if a link suddenly won't load, your very first thought should be checking its geolock status.
All right, Section 3. Top free M3U URLs, the best providers for 2026. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the actual data and the specific providers you're probably here to see.
We're looking at a massive lineup of USA-locked corporate heavy hitters here. Think Samsung TV Plus, Roku, LG Channels, Tubi, Plex, Vizio, Eximo, Local Now, and Amazon Fire TV. It is a wildly robust list, right? But it's restricted mostly to US IP addresses. Now contrast that with the ultra-flexible international options. You've got Pluto TV's international feed, Distro TV, Xiaomi, Free TV, IPTV.org, Rakuten, and Vida. It just beautifully illustrates how incredibly diverse this whole ecosystem is, no matter where in the world you happen to live.
Let's drill into the data a bit more. Notice Pluto TV right there at the top. They generously offer both US and international playlist versions, which is just a huge win for global viewers. Then you see Samsung TV Plus, which is strictly US geo-locked. Keep going down, and we've got IPTV.org and Glottovpa, also known as Free TV, and both of those are totally open to multiple regions. Also, take a close look at those source URLs. They're mostly utilizing direct GitHub repositories or AppSat TV links. That keeps things transparent and publicly accessible, which is exactly what we want.
Up next, Section 4. Genre-specific streaming links, curated IPTV org lists.
You know, sometimes you just don't want to dig through one massive mixed-up playlist. Well, IPTV.org actually provides direct, category-specific URLs that you can plug in individually. We're talking movies, news, documentaries, music, sports, comedy, and even a USA-specific list. This is amazing because it lets you build a totally tailored, organized viewing experience. Feeling educational? Just load the documentary link. Game day? Fire up the sports link. It gives you complete granular control over your media.
And that brings us to Section 5, how to play M3U files, execution and troubleshooting. Obviously, to watch these streams, you need a compatible media player. First up is VLC Media Player, which, let's be real, most of you probably already have on your desktop. Then you've got dedicated apps like TiviMate and IPTV Smarters, which are absolutely phenomenal for Android TV and mobile devices. And for the power users out there, There's Kodi using the PVR IPTV Simple Client add-on. The main takeaway here, these dedicated players are totally platform agnostic. Whether you're on Android, a PC desktop, or Apple iOS, you are covered.
So the crucial point is how incredibly easy this setup actually is. Step 1. Choose your preferred IPTV player. Step 2. Copy and paste the M3U URL of your choice right into the player's settings. Step 3. Sit back and stream your content. Seriously, it is that straightforward. Once you paste that URL, the heavy lifting is totally done, and your device just reads the text file to pull up the video feeds.
Now real quick before we wrap up, I gotta address a very real concern from the source comments. Somebody was worried that an M3U link gave them malware. Well, the experts at Wireless Shack thoroughly debunked this myth. They stated, an M3U file is basically a text-based playlist. It is not an executable file, making it highly unlikely to contain traditional viruses. Since it's not an executable application like in .exe or in .apk, it literally can't run a malicious script on its own. It is harmless text. If someone's having an issue, it's almost certainly because of a sketchy third-party player app they downloaded, not the text-based M3U playlist itself.
And to really hammer home how great this is, real-world community feedback confirms that links like Glotapa or the free TV IPTV playlist give you incredibly reliable streams. One user, Adam, noted he'd been using it for a month with absolutely zero buffering, literally called it the greatest of all time. That is exactly why taking a few minutes to copy and paste these open-source URLs is so worthwhile. The quality and reliability, backed by a massive GitHub community, is just top tier.